What's up everybody, Brian here with attention to details. I've got a very special car that we finally finished and I want to show you. Behind me here, this is a 2024 McLaren 750S Spider. This car has got every available option they offer. The only thing that is different on this vehicle is he went with the comfort seats, which they're extremely badass in my opinion, compared to the race seats. That's the only difference. It was completely spec'd out with every piece of carbon fiber, inside and outside. We did a full wrap on this vehicle. Jay, Magic Hands Jay, he's the one that single-handedly wrapped this car. Kenny done his fantastic editing and cutting with our CAD machines, making patterns. There was a lot of patterns on this car that we made templates for because there was no other options, and we'll show you our work with that in a minute. Every seam is hidden. Every edge is wrapped that could be wrapped, and we're going to walk around and show you this. So as we get close up here, when I say guys, you have to kind of see it in person, so I hope this camera does it justice. But every edge, I beg anyone, Kenny's going to walk around here as I talk, show different angles of the car. Tucked and rolled in seams where most people leave it down here. Full tail. Again, I know I keep saying every part. This diffuser in the bottom, we have the car lifted up, the film wraps all the way down. This goes, his camera probably won't sooner there, but it goes all the way back down with the carbon fiber fully wrapped, all inside. Every single piece, these fins, the edges, nothing untouched. Everything was debadged. This car has actually come out absolutely stunning. The client is picking these up today. Jose done a phenomenal job at the window tint with the XR 35% ceramic coat rim and calipers. Then we did a full PPF on the interior. So as I said, this car was highly optioned out with every option that they offer. So all this is completely covered on every angle. Inside behind the seats, I don't know if Kenny can get in there. All the carbon fiber in back was custom templates made and then traced out and covered. The back of these seats are completely covered from top to bottom. Every inch of this vehicle, everywhere you see, is completely wrapped. And again, this car will be able to be on display, and I recommend people that are thinking of getting this done on an everyday driver or cars like this to come down and see our work firsthand. There is not a piece of this car that is not covered with the XPEL paint protection film. Some of the most impressive parts that I've seen Jay do on this, and most people might not understand it, but these little fins here, these are completely covered with separate pieces, not just stopping here like most people do. They're wrapped and tucked under all the way down inside. Stunning work. If you want to look where our fender's in here, most people stop the film here. My crew guys here, Jay, Remy, Kenny, we have mastered of getting this film tucked inside on both sides. Seamless work. Just the carbon fiber guys in the front end pieces, hood vents, the whole 9 yards, but everything, I'm talking, we are covered. The camera probably didn't even pick this up, but all the way back in here. No seams. If there is a seam on this car, you'll need a magnifying glass to find it. Which takes me to the last thing, to these mirrors. So, we usually bulk our whole mirrors to hide seams everywhere. The way these mirrors are designed, it is physically impossible to do it in one piece. And the camera shows the work. Jay came up with beautiful artwork on this, created this, and this is this film. Complete coverage, front to back. There is a seam that goes through here, but you can't see it unless you get right down and start staring at it, and there's absolutely no gap, period. All stalks, everything down through here are covered. So this car came out absolutely beautiful. It's being delivered today. This is the quality of work that we do here for any supercar, sports cars. We specialize in these, Corvettes, you name it, that's what we specialize in. But we also take this same care and this work and do it to your other everyday drivers, being it pickup trucks, be it a Kia K5, no matter what you drive, you want to protect it. And this is the same quality that we deliver into those vehicles. Doesn't need to be a $500,000 car to get this treatment. We take this practice and do every single job that way. Wrapped edges everywhere, debadging, then all the badging goes back on, we got templates. So if you're thinking of getting this done, I recommend everybody comes down to our shop. Even if you decide not to use us, come down, check us out, look at our work firsthand. Go to the shops you're getting this done. It pains me to say this, and I don't say it to say we're the greatest, because we're learning every day as well, but there is a difference in install quality, so get what you're paying for. Look at the work. So anyway, we're going to be doing a photo shoot on this vehicle here in a minute as well. Check it out. Go to our social media, all platforms, like, share, subscribe, keep helping us grow. For now, love and happiness. Peace.